So in the last tutorial, we went ahead and created some forward movement for a walk. So let's actually maximize this play so that you can see. So I'm going to hit W here. Oh, looks like I've got to attach the script to him. Okay, let's make walk speed just 0.3 and then run speed 1. So here's my walk, and then here's my run. When I release, he goes to idle. Let's go ahead and create a rotation speed and make our character rotate. I'm going to have him rotate to the right on the D key. So public float ROT speed equals 0. And then I'm going to copy maybe this guy because it's the leanest one. And I'm going to do get key, capital D. And you know what I might do is I might turn on the walk because I don't actually have an animation where he's sliding like to the right. So that at least will give the illusion. So I'm going to do transform dot rotate. I'm going to do a new vector 3. Let me zoom in on this so you guys can see that a bit better. New vector 3. Remember we have an x, y, and z. And so I'm going to go ahead and do 0, 0, 0 just so you can see that the y-axis is in the middle. And when we rotate this guy, we want it to rotate on y. See that? See our y here? So I'm going to go ahead and just type in, I have no idea, 20 times time dot delta time. I'm going to save that, close this out, press play. Go. Alright, let's just copy and paste that. And all I'm going to do is change it from D to A. And press play. Pressing A, and he's moving in the same direction. We know why. Because we have to go minus 20 here. So there. There's something interesting here. It doesn't turn off when we release the key. So we already know how to fix that, right? We just do copy both of these guys and do get key up, right? And then we turn this off. And I try to keep it sequential because when you're coding, you want to think about it like you're reading a term, like a paper. So, you know, it's top to bottom. So I'm more likely going to press D first, and then release it. So this, and then I'm going to actually remove rotation here. It's not necessary on my get keys up. We just want to turn off the walk. See if that fixed it. Yep. There's that little delay. That's something we'd have to fix inside a mechanism. Little problem here. If we run and rotate, he goes to walk. That's interesting. So what that means is we actually have to build in another one of these guys where if it's D, let's give this a shot. All right, so we're going to copy this guy. We should be commenting this out. So this is run rotation. Okay. And so that would be we have the key D, the code, and we have shift up. Where's that at? Alright, we're going to tackle... Oh wait, this is the wrong one. Okay, so we have D and shift. And W. We want walk to be false, and we want run to be true. So we're going to set that to 1. Getting kind of deep here. So let's see. Alright, let's try that and see if that works. I think I have an error. Let's see what that error in. What doesn't it like? It doesn't like no and symbol here. Alright, let's take a look at that code. I'm going to save that. We have this in D and shift, and now he's running and rotating. We have the same problem on the other side, but we already know how to fix that, right? So let's copy this code here. We're going to do run rotate right. Let's actually throw this up here above run rotate. And we want run rotate left. And that means we're going to use A. Alright, let's try that. Got a pretty good running back and forth. And if you have at this point you should kind of get how to make him do a sidestep, like if you animate a sidestep for your character. So here's the thing. Okay, so our character, it'd be nice if he could walk backwards, right? So let's kind of do that. So rotate left. Rotate right. Walk forward. Run forward. So let's copy both of these guys here. Now let's make our character walk backwards. Okay, so I'm going to change W to S here. Change W to S here. And then walk speed, I'm going to just put a minus in here. Wait, what am I doing here? Okay, that's not right. Okay. Walk backward. There we go. Okay. So we want minus here. So let's try that. So just take a look at this. All I did is copied all of this, and if I enter a negative value, right, in Z, he should walk backwards. The animation will work on flipping it or inverting the animation. So here's him walking backwards, here's him walking forwards, here's him rotating, here's him running. Alright, I'm going to end this tutorial in 1 second. I just want to make sure that we have... I think we're okay. I guess that's all we need for walk backwards. So this is our entire movement, sort of Leo movement script. And then as we move forward, we'll start looking at coin pickup.